day, my friends! How's it going? I feel like when you share your resolutions with other people, it helps you to be more responsible about them, you know? But actually this year I was inspired to not just sit down and tell you about things I want to make this year, but to make a visual mood board. Everything that I want to look forward to, everything that I need to challenge myself to do more. I was actually inspired by a YouTuber whose name is Amber Shawl. I just love the idea of having this visual image over your desk in your office, your studio. Look at it every day, get inspired, especially when you're lacking motivation. You need something to keep you going or cheer you up, which is definitely very important for everybody, but for small YouTubers especially. You guys definitely know how I feel. I thrifted a very cute ivory pin board. I bought some push pins in Office Depot and I printed a bunch of pictures in Walgreens. Very excited to put this all together. I don't want to ramble too long, so without further ado, let's just get started. As I said, you will need a pin board or a cork board, printed pictures or magazine pages, some cute pins, scissors to trim your pictures, and something to decorate your mood board. Here you can see that I printed way more pictures than I needed, but I think it's always a good idea to have some extra material, because you never know how it will turn out until you actually make a layout. You might also notice that I try to find pictures in the similar color scheme. It's definitely not necessary, but it will be very eye-pleasing. We're going to start with a phrase that you think will motivate you throughout the year. I decided to go with "Look what you made me do," because ever since this song came out, it always helped me to keep going. Fun fact, I always listen to it at least one time when I'm at the gym and, as I say, sweat out all the stress and negativity. After this I decided to hang my board on the wall so you can actually see what's going on. I'm using my cute star-shaped string light and I'm putting that 4 eucalyptus into opposite corners of the board. And I'm trying to keep my board straight, but it's pretty stubborn. So the first thing I want to put on my mood board is travel. After we move to a new location, we should be close to several beautiful cities that I really want to visit. More importantly, I want to visit New York City as much as I can. And I definitely would love to try and actually visit Russia this year. I've prepared this picture of St. Petersburg's roofs to represent it. So far we have already went to Saratoga Springs, New York in January, so I think it's a good start. I definitely want to keep making YouTube videos and grow my channel. It is incredibly difficult, but it makes me happy and it's the most amazing creative outlet. I would like to get a better setup this year and improve quality of my videos as well. And yeah, I photoshopped number 5000 next to my nickname, but I'm pretty sure there is no way that will happen in 2018. But you know what they say, a girl can dream. The third thing is almost embarrassing. I want to learn how to wake up earlier and make more things done. I've been an owl my whole life and I'm sure that's not going to change, but I want to do my best this year and have more beautiful mornings. And I guess I should also try to learn some time management skills. This is exciting. I can't wait to move to our new place and start working on my studio. I'm pretty sure I know which room I want to use for it, and I already have some ideas on how to make it really cozy. I'm looking forward to painting it, thrifting some furniture and decor and show you guys the whole process. I would love to get out of the house as much as I can, even though I'm looking forward to being in our new place. But I just love editing in coffee shops and I'm very excited to try and do it more often this year. Also, I am considering to get a job in a coffee shop for a little while to learn something new and to find some new friends. So this picture on my mood board will represent both of those things. I honestly just want to make one good friend this year, whether it is in the coffee shop or on YouTube or somewhere else. I can't really put it on my mood board, but I thought I would at least say it out loud. And of course, I want to thrift and style more outfits. I know I do thrift quite a lot already, but I'm not very consistent with styling my pieces and especially taking good pictures of them. So this year I'll be working on this because this is my passion and I love doing this. I took 4 pictures of 4 different fashion bloggers who inspire me every day and put them on my mood board. I definitely want to stay in shape and be healthy. As you probably already know, last year I've been going through a tough weight loss process and managed to lose almost 40 pounds. But this process is never over, it just transitions into maintaining stage, and that's what I'm planning on doing, maintaining and finding new ways to enjoy this, whether it's finding new healthy recipes to cook or doing more yoga to stretch those muscles that get stiff after gym workouts. Another exciting thing I want to accomplish this year is to start driving and get my own car. I was supposed to get driver's license last year. It was one of my resolutions, but unfortunately I failed to make that one come true. But this year I am determined to finally make it happen. I have already finished my online course with all the theory and I have passed permit test and received my permit. I can't wait to actually be able to drive. This one doesn't really depend on me, I'm just currently waiting for everything to go through. But I can't wait to actually get my green card and I hope it will happen very soon. Read more books? Of course, I feel like everybody puts this in their resolutions, but I definitely feel like I'm missing out a lot. I love reading so much and I've been reading my whole life, but at some point it started to become more difficult to find time to read an actual book, and it is so annoying. Right now I am reading Otherworld by Jason Segel and I'm enjoying it so far. I would love to finally get another tattoo. I'm really unsure if this is going to be possible in 2018, but I still want to have it up on my mood board. I know I want it to be deer related, so I chose one of my favorite deer drawings to represent it. I know how to bike straight ahead and I know how to skate 10 inches away from the wall, but I want to be able to actually bike and actually skate, or at least one of those things. I also purchased a longboard last fall and I would love to actually use it when it gets warmer. It's really hard for me to overcome the fear connected with all these sport things, but I definitely want to work on this. And the last thing, I want to pierce my ears again. By again, I mean adding second holes on both sides. I wanted to do this for a crazy amount of years already and I can't believe I still haven't done this. I hope by having this on my mood board I will actually make this happen. And that's it, my mood board is all done and I actually really like the way it turned out. I hope you liked this video and I hope it inspired you to make your own mood board if you haven't already. I love you guys and I hope all of your wishes come true, whether you put them on your wall or not. Please don't forget to put likes, click subscribe button and leave me comments down below. Thank you so very much for watching. I feel great after talking to you. Bye!